Welcome back to Mature Sass, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Linda. I do all kinds of style inspiration, lookbooks, hauls on my channel. And so if you are not a subscriber, I would definitely love it if you would subscribe before you leave. Now guys, as most of you that already know me know, I love style, I love fashion, and I pretty much can dress myself because I know what I like and I know the things that I think kind of suit me best. Well, anyway, I've been kind of intrigued lately with a lot of the styling boxes that I see you guys unbox on your channels. And so, as you know, I've tried one a couple of times, and I decided to give it another shot with a different subscription service. So I was watching my friend Vicky Week, and I just decided to use her link for this subscription and give them a try and see how they subscribe. How they style me. So if you're interested to see how Natalie Attired styles me, cute, right? Okay, guys, I thought that you'll notice I've changed. I'm doing some filming right now. So I'm kind of like filming as I go throughout the day. So anyway, I'm going to stop and film my Natalie Attired. I went ahead and cut it so that we could get right to it. It is packaged beautifully. Let me show you. Isn't that pretty? So, Natalie Attired is a styling service. You pay a stylist a $20 styling fee, and they curate a package for you. Now, I asked for a sweater and a skirt, and so let's see what happened this time. Oh, okay, I'm thinking that might be the invoice. I don't want to look at it right now. I used Vicky Week's link in her description box on her channel, and so hopefully she's going to get a little something. It comes with a self-addressed envelope package for you to send back anything that you might not like, and it has a card from your stylist. So it says, "Hi Linda, welcome to Natalie Attired. I hope you enjoy I hope you love what I curated for you. Happy New Year, Lindsay." So that was nice. All right, so let's see what Lindsay has put together for me. Okay. Guys, I already know that this is not my style, but I'm gonna try it. It's not flannel, but it's a plaid top, and it's one of those with the tab sleeves. Okay. Next is a kind of boho peasant type top with okay, I thought those were elastic. They're not elastic. This is kind of like a 3/4 length sleeve. And these actually are like summer clothes, maybe because I live in Florida. And next, I think I saw this, was it Kayla's box maybe? But anyway, it's kind of like a little floral pattern. Has ties on the sleeves. Next is a floral print tunic top. I don't care for short sleeves, and it's that spandexy stuff. I'm really trying to be positive. I am, but you already know where I'm going with this, right? I think I'm just gonna let Linda style Linda. And then there's a pair of denim jeans. They are by Liverpool. Oh, actually I want to try these on because you guys rave about Liverpool jeans so much. They have like a little embellishment at the bottom. It's kind of like a raised fabric. But anyway, I'll probably just leave the Liverpool jeans on and put on all the tops with it. I'll be right back. All right, first thing up, this Tunic top by Chris and Carol is called the Cutout Sleeve Floral Top for $44. No. And I know what you guys are going to say, but this is just not me. And I'm just going to say no. Next are the Liverpool jeans. Okay. They are high-waisted and they come to the ankle, which is nice. And they fit kind of nice. They have a little bit of puckering here in the hip area. But overall, they're okay. I won't be keeping them, though, because they're $102. And just know. All right, so let's see what's next, shall we? Okay, this next top is by Renee C. It is a 3/4 length top. It's called the 3/4 length notch V-neck stripe top for $49. It's okay if you like this style top. I don't, but it's okay. Next. Okay, before I show you this last top, this one right here from Check It Out. It was 3/4 lengths with a little tie on it. It was $39. It doesn't fit at all. It's too tight, so I'm not trying that on. And then this one is a tunic length. It's kind of a gauzy-like fabric. I think you all understand it's just not me. And it's nothing wrong with the clothing. It's just not my particular style. And so I think I'm going to do what I said I was going to do before. I'm going to stay in my lane, style myself, and continue with the style channel. I'll just take a wash on this one, my $20 styling fee, and sometimes that's just the way it is. But it was nice to give it a shot. Okay, guys, sorry, I forgot to give you all kind of like a little final wrap up here. The total for this box was $313, and I forgot to tell you the last tunic top that I had on was $79. Okay. So anyway, with Natalie Attired, had I kept at least 3 or 4 items, I could have gotten 20% off the total purchase. Or if I would have kept the whole entire thing, I would have gotten 30% off. So it would have been roughly about $214 for the whole thing if I kept it. But anyway, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And, you know, it's a risk that you always have to take. So, unfortunately, I'll be forfeiting my $20 styling fee, but I already knew that that could be a possibility. So, the last one that I really wanted to try was a trunk club. If you all think that I should try it, give me a little shout out in the comment section below. Or if you think that I should just stay in my lane, style my own self, pick out what I already know that I like, and then also just tell me down below. Anyway, thanks so much for hanging out with me and for watching. And please make sure that you thumbs up the video. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and join the Sassy family. And make sure that you touch the notification bell. And when it turns gray, click all, and then you'll be notified when I do uploads. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Keep it sassy. See you soon. Bye.